let's look into another subscription sum. So this sum, they have not given the receipts and payment side. They have given all the information in a sentence format. So we should take the information, process it, and we should segregate the information according to the dates and keep it ready for working out the sum. So this step, if certain of you all understand the sum, you can skip it and directly do the income and expenditure on the balance sheet. If you want to understand the sum a little more better and do it, then you can go ahead with the step. Just like how in depreciation we used to write what all is given. So here, as the sum goes, what all is given, we are going to jot it down. So for that, if we want, we can just write down as given also and start the sum as. How will the following items appear in the final accounts? That means we have to do income and expenditure and balance sheet of a club for the year ending 31st March 2017. So first note down what is the current year. Current year is 2017. Next we have is received subscription of 40,000 during the year 2016-17. So 2016-17 we have received a subscription of rupees 40,000. Then they said this includes a subscription of 5,000 for 2015-16. So 2015-16 rupees 5,000 is being included in this 40,000. So 2015-16, that is 2016 means it becomes previous year. 2016 is previous year. Then subsequent year will be 2018. So this you should keep in mind. So this is a subscription for the previous year which is included in this 40,000 of the current year. Next they have said and 3,000 for the year 2017-18. So 2017-18. So 2018 is subsequent year. So this is for the subsequent year. So 3,000 rupees for the subsequent year is also included in the 40,000. Then they said subscription of 1,000 is still outstanding for the year 2016-17. So for the year 2016-17, outstanding is rupees 1,000. So this is for the current year. Okay, so as we already discussed, it is very, very clear. Current year items, we must keep it. Previous year or the subsequent year items, we must remove it. So current year item we have, that is this outstanding of 1,000 rupees, which we are going to keep it and add it, and subsequent year and the previous year. Let's start with the income and expenditure account for the sum. So as we previously discussed, whatever is for the current year we are going to keep it, and whatever is for the previous and subsequent year we are going to subtract it. So first we are going to record subscription. So come off to the income side like how we do in the previous sum and write by subscription. So subscription received for the current year. So we can take it from the given or from the sum itself. So here we've written for 2016-17, 40,000 is the subscription which is received. So this goes into the income side. So on the income side, 40,000. Now next again, what is given in the thing is for the previous year 2015-16, 5,000 was included. So that was for the previous year. So we are going to remove it. So less previous year subscription. Or you can write subscription for the year 2015-16. So put this 40,000 in the inner column since we have some adjustments to do. Now put the 5,000 in the inner column and subtract it and put the value in the inner column itself. Why? Because we have furthermore 2 of the adjustments to complete. So this becomes 35,000. Next, according to the given, we have for the subsequent year 2017-18, 3,000 was included. So that also I am going to remove. So we are going to subtract the subsequent year's subscription because that is not relating to the current year. So subscription for the subsequent year 3,000 also I am going to subtract it. You will get 32,000 remaining. Last we have is the current year outstanding subscription. So since it is outstanding, you're going to add it. So outstanding subscription for the current year. So that is rupees 1000. So when you add it, you will get 33,000 as the subscription for the particular year. So this is the income and expenditure account. We are not going to stop with this. So next, start with the balance sheet. After the income and expenditure account, start with the balance sheet, the asset side and the liability side. So here what we are going to record is subscription received in advance and outstanding. Advance will come here on the liability side, outstanding here on the asset side. So here if you see in the income and expenditure account, on the income side we have written add outstanding subscription 1000 rupees. So that goes to the asset side. So outstanding subscription. So that is 1000 on the asset side. And from the income and expenditure account itself, we can take the subsequent year, that is subscription which we have received in advance. Okay, subsequent year means future year. So this 3000 we have received it in advance, which will be shown on the liability side. So come to the liability side, subscription received in advance. 3000. There is no balancing or tallying as for the income side or the balance sheet. So this is how you are going to show the balance sheet items and the income side, income and expenditure items for subscription. Previous year subscription will not have an effect in the balance sheet. Only the subsequent year subscription received in advance and the current year outstanding subscription will be shown on the balance sheet.